Developing now, some South Carolina business owners are considering requiring employees to get the vaccine for COVID. And with the FDA giving full approval to one of those vaccines, labor attorneys in the state expect more businesses to announce that requirement. Our Jason Raven explains.
Right now, South Carolina businesses are free to require the COVID-19 vaccine if they believe it is necessary, and they can provide their employees religious and medical exceptions. Some healthcare systems in South Carolina have already required the vaccine for their employees, and another South Carolina business that made this decision is Nephron Pharmaceuticals in Lexington County. They are requiring their 2,000 employees to get vaccinated. There are exceptions for medical or religious reasons.
We're making the drugs that the frontline health workers need. We have to keep our families safe to have patients get what they need.
Now, CEO Luke Kennedy made the announcement earlier this month before the FDA granted full approval for the Pfizer vaccine. Now, some are expecting more companies to follow suit. The South Carolina Chamber of Commerce hosted a discussion with business owners and labor attorneys this week. They talked about what things a business could expect if they require the vaccine. The attorneys said a vaccination mandate has pros and cons. It could make employees and others feel safer at work, but it could also lead to some employees leaving their job or protests.
You're going to get pushback, and some of the pushback is going to be legitimate, honest questions, and some of the pushback is going to be, things that are easily disproven and even comically absurd in some situations.
Kenny says at Nephron, the reception has been good. She says they've had one or two employees decide to leave.
I think some of the folks here in our company thought this would be a rocky announcement and might cause protests or might cause some disruption to business. I can tell you that it has been smooth.
Now, according to the state health department, 47% of eligible South Carolinians are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. In Lexington County, Jason Raven, 7 News.
This week, Moderna completed their submission to get the vaccine fully approved by the FDA as well.